In today's video, we're going to take this motorcycle seat from this to this.
Like be acting up again. Save my day, my best friend.
So this seat comes off of a 2003 Honda Shadow. This is a bike that I sold to a customer. He got some miles on it and the seam started coming apart. I told him we could fix it. So to start out, we've taken the original seat cover off and got it all separated so we can create our patterns from this. The seat's going to end up being black, as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. This is some blue vinyl that I was using to test. And here we are. My test is looking pretty good, so I'm confident to move on to the final black vinyl. So here's my final patterns cut and ready to be sewn. Off camera, I got them sewed together. Now we'll hop into the video of removing the blue cover and installing the black seat cover. If you've ever done any kind of vinyl work, you'll know that this process is not, this part of the process is not very fun. Basically, we're going to go around and remove all the staples, make sure we fully remove them, put them in a safe place so they don't cause us any problems as we're working on the good cover. The process is tedious. I like using a flathead screwdriver and a pair of cutters to grab onto the staples or pliers and then pull them out, collect them, and throw them away. Once those staples are removed, we're going to slip that old cover off and bring on the new one. Here I'm getting the thing kind of put on, positioned where I want it. Once I get it kind of in the area I want, I'll start putting a few staples in, and then we'll get on to stretching and stapling and getting this thing lined up where I want it. I'm going to let this video play out and let you guys just watch this part, but basically I'm putting in what I call my light passive staples, working my way around this, getting it lined up where I want it, not using a ton of staples because every now and then I'll have to pull one out and re-stretch a part. But once I am comfortable with my light passive staples all the way around, we will bring out the heat gun, put a little warmth into this thing, get it stretched on there tight, and then do our final staple round. Alright, I'm liking how this thing's looking. Went ahead and got that heat gun out. Just putting some light heat into this thing. You don't want to overdo it. You can cook that vinyl with the heat gun if the temperature's too high. Lightly warming this thing up. Once it's got a little heat into it, it's easier to stretch. Go ahead and stretch it and start putting in our final passive staples. Right here is one of my favorite parts of this whole process. Basically, we're going to get our last stretches in here, putting a little more heat into it. You can already tell that it's sitting pretty good on this seat now. But after we pull and staple this next part, we flip the seat back over and you'll see that this thing is about 95% done. And this is where you really start to see your final product come together. At this point, I'm going to go around the whole perimeter of this and start stapling everything at its final spot. Any loose spots will tighten up just a little bit more. This is where that 100% comes in, where we really get all of the wrinkles out of the seat. Once all the staples are done around the perimeter of this thing, we will cut off the excess vinyl and we'll be done. So here is the final walk around of this seat. This is one of the first seats I've done from scratch like this. Little room for improvement, but the seat turned out great. Look at these final photos. The thing looks awesome. Turned out great. Customer's very happy with it. I'm stoked with how it turned out. And one last final photo shows you this thing on the bike. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you in the next one.